In this video, I'll show you how to turn off AI features in Google Chrome. This includes disabling AI mode and removing AI overview from your search results. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Click on the address bar and type chrome//flags, then press enter. In the search box, type AI. Now, you'll just need to scroll down this page and you'll see these options here for AI mode Omnibox entry point. Click on the drop-down arrow and set this to disabled. Also do the same for AI entry point, make sure this is disabled. We're also going to turn off Omnibox allow AI mode matches, make sure this is set to disabled. Next, search for NTP. Find NTP Compose box and set it to disabled. After that, click Relaunch to restart your browser. Now for the final step. Click on the three dots in the top right and open Settings. Go to Search Engine, then click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Scroll down to Site Search and click Add. Now, for the name, go and type in Google Web. For the shortcut, type in @web. And in the URL section, you need to go and paste the provided URL. I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this as well. Then click Add. Now find Google Web, click the three dots next to it, and select Make Default. Finally, open a new tab and search for anything. You'll now see normal search results without AI overview. And that's it. That's how you disable AI in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.